everyone, welcome to our channel. We're morisis and we're back again after a few months of hiatus, but we thought of coming up with some looks inspired by some Instagram filters happening right now.
And if you're new to our channel, go ahead and leave a comment down below recommending any tutorials or any videos you want to see from us. And go ahead and leave a like if you like this video. And if you don't, then okay, leave. I'm just kidding, don't leave. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and hit us up, right? Oh, this is bad.
So are we gonna show what filters that we're gonna do? So we decided to go for the more dramatic ones. Not really that dramatic, right?
Well, mine's like the easiest one just because I don't want to mess up.
I just didn't know what to do, so I just picked the cute little glitter one. The like dripping glitter one. You could probably see it somewhere in the screen.
I'll do the little hearts on the cheeks, so like lots of blush. Cool.
And then what I'm gonna use for the glitter, it's just like some NYX Glimmer Primer Glue thing, and one of these. I don't really have a silver one. This is like an off silver.
Yeah, it's like a rose gold, but whatever, it'll work.
And then, because I don't look like that. And then,
we're gonna have to contour literally.
And what else does it add? Oh, it makes your eyes giant.
Yeah, maybe you can add like extend like your eyes with a little bit of like shadow in the corner to make it more like, because that's what it looks like more on. Well, I keep staring at
looking at her
there's
through
this
the mirror.
mirror here. Well, I guess we'll both be using the new Morphe 35L or 35i, I don't know, palette, the one with in collaboration with Pony.
Icy Fantasy. Is
Pony
that what it's called?
Park.
So for the look I'm doing, there's not much like base makeup going on. It's just basically the glitter crying, and it's like 3 strands in each eye, and then it gets shorter as you gradually go. But to make it more fun, I'm just gonna add more like contour, blush, and I don't know. What are you gonna use?
I'm putting on a bunch of blush across the nose, just like that look that people are, like teen girls are going for right now. And I'll just do the cute little pink hearts everywhere, and I'll use the pink. There's only one pink in this palette, so.
Wait, really?
I know, what the heck.
Oh, well there's a glittery.
Peach, there's a peach and a baby pink, so I'll just you know, do a little shading so they look more like not just like random hearts everywhere. It'll have like we both stare at each other through my mirror dimensions. So
Okay.
Okay,
let's do it.
Motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away. In the sunshine.
So every filter has the blush all the way up to your eye. Have you noticed that?
Yeah,
right?
it's like mostly up here in your nose and like your chin.
So basically everywhere the sun would hit, like covered in blush. So we're gonna do that. Oh my god, I'm scared.
Okay, I'm gonna put some shimmer. So there's like 4 little pink shadows. Well, there's like 2 orange and 2 pink. So I'm using Soar and Sky High, which is, these 2 right here.
I think I made a mistake.
What? It's fine. It's the camera. You have to add way too much. It's okay.
I think this looks bad. It's okay. The glitter's going over it. The glitter's going over it.
I don't know. What else do you think my eyes need other than the liner that's gonna go on?
That's good. I don't know.
Does it look like a
Mascara.
5-year-old did it? I don't know. I wanted to bring it out, but it's. Oh, maybe I should put this glitter right here.
I don't remember what the filter looks like.
Okay, I'm gonna do a cut crease, and then put that hot pink glitter one on and see what that looks like. So. Okay, so while Carolina's doing her eyeliner, I have a story time. So where we live, or I guess where Carolina lives, the main mall, it's a pretty big mall, and they opened a Morphe store. Yeah, I bought a bunch of, well, I've never been to a Morphe store, so I only see it on Instagram, like, you know, and like YouTubers, like beauty gurus. And so I went, and you know, it looks pretty good, but because you only ever get to see it online. And I got some, oh, I already fucked up.
What?
And I'm getting sidetracked.
Wow, you're doing a cut crease and all that, and
No, just to add that glitter shit on. So yeah, I bought a bunch of brushes, like 2 sets, one for the eyes that came with 15 and one for the face that came with 5. And so I go to check out, and I was expecting the cashier to ask me like, oh, like, do you want to use a code or something? Because you know how that's the main thing with like YouTubers, you know, they're all over their walls, and like everything they sell is like a collab with a YouTuber, so you think that you know, they ask you or give you a code, or I mean, I don't expect them to tell you like, oh, use code whatever, like, you know, that's kind of weird.
At the same time, you would expect them not to do that because they would want to save money and not like, oh, what's your code so you cannot pay the full price. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but I was saying how Morphe owes everything they have to beauty gurus on YouTube and Instagram. But anyway, and I felt so stupid asking her like, oh, can I use that code? Because this is my first time at a freaking Morphe store. Morphe store. So I was like, I just paid and whatever. I mean, I could have saved maybe like $6. I don't even know. But anyway, so, but they didn't. I was like, okay, whatever. Like maybe next time, you know, like Carolina was like, oh, you should have just asked her, like, can I put I have a code or whatever.
Yeah, if you actually had a code, you should have just said so. I mean, we just, it's our first time going there, so we're just not sure if they do codes like in store.
Yeah,
if it's
that's
only
the
online.
main thing. No, it's in store.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So then, yeah, you should have just gone for it. Who cares? I think I'm ready to start my glitter, but you're so far behind.
No, you keep going.
What? With what? I already did winged. I already did the contour. There's nothing else to do.
Then start.
Should I try and make my lip huge?
Don't try to
Wait, so yeah, I should do the glitter?
Yeah, start.
Okay, yeah.
But you're not using glue with these brushes.
I'm not. I brought this glue brush.
Okay, I was like, I just got this. I need a little mirror.
Yo, T.
You know what this? I guess this. So they're lacking like a packing brush. I guess I can use this.
They're not
black
packing.
shit, but, like,
They're not packing.
Right? It's kind of weird to like have like this one. Maybe this? No,
They don't have a...
yeah, there's no flat.
Alright, so we found the glitch in the Morphe pack. They don't have a packer.
Okay, it's okay.
See, I have one. A packing brush.
I feel like,
Look how pretty her nails look. I did them.
oh my god.
Okay, so this makes me have really red cheeks. We've established that. Hopefully it picks up on the camera. And it elongates your eyes and makes them bigger. I can't make them bigger, but I elongated it a little bit. And it makes your lip huge, which I'll do that last. Okay, so I just realized I just did one streak and then there's no puddle, you know, underneath my eye. So I'm just gonna quickly do the puddle under my eye. Like anime.
Wait, that's the glue? It looks like concealer.
This is glue.
It's on your lash. Why is your lash so long?
You have long lashes too, right?
No, yep.
Are you genetically the
No.
same? No. It's kind of burning. Goodbye, under eye.
Well, tampoco not like in there. Oh, she really did one in there. Fuck.
Well, what do you want me to do?
I
You
know.
said to make a puddle. I made a puddle. For YouTube. Ew.
That sounds disgusting. It was just like. face. No, it really does start to look like it. Just keep doing it. You want to look down?
You look so pale. You look so pale. Look.
Well, compared to you, skin girl.
Excuse me, where is your blush?
Oh, right. That's what's gonna pull it together. Hold on.
Oh my god, how do I fix this? I think up.
Oh, it's cute. Oh, come together.
I fail at this. I need a thinner
Oh
brush.
gosh, that was too much. It's okay,
Okay.
it's for the cameras.
So I'm not using a very thin brush, and I think that's an issue right now.
Okay, voiceover real quick. This is Flo speaking. As you can see, I had a very difficult time creating these little hearts to put on my face. At first I thought maybe we use little paper cutouts and like dip them in concealer and press them to my face, but that got everywhere. It was not what I thought it would come out. Look, it's terrible. It like spread everywhere. So I didn't know what else to do. I didn't have little pencil brush to create it. I tried the NYX jumbo white pencil like you saw. That didn't work. It was way too wide. So Carolina had to step in and help me out. She's good with like pencil brushes and I'm not. Obviously, yeah, I kind of failed this challenge. I thought I had picked the easiest filter, but I cannot make little hearts to save my life on my face. So there we go. This is the process, and we just use some pink shadow to shade them in, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm so sorry.
Oh my god, we don't have the right brushes.
Okay, so these are our final looks. We're gonna go ahead and insert so you can just take a look at each of our looks. Okay, so thank you so much for watching our video today. If you made it this far, we love you. If you guys have any other requests or any ideas of crazy like makeup looks or anything really for that matter, yeah, just go ahead and leave a comment down below and leave a request and we'll probably do it because we'll do anything, right? We'll do anything. So yeah, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.